and logical reasoning in general. At Think Academy, we highly recommend, for these reasons, especially if you're at grade 2, grade 3, or grade 4, to definitely sign up for this competition. Another reason would be is that if you are, say, already competing, then you definitely must participate in Noetic, because your competition prep for, say, MK or something else will give you a good basis to ace this competition. If you're at school level, there is nothing in terms of theory that will be tested outside of what you've already learned, with a few exceptions in word problems that if you're part of our free workshop, you will have access to anyway. So grade 2, grade 3, grade 4 must take part. And the higher grades, you can definitely take part, especially if you're looking at other competitions, because the type of questions are very innovative. How to sign up? At Think Academy, we will be hosting Noetic for the first time, so we are very excited. If you're interested, you can scan the QR code on the top right corner. We are going to be hosting it. Also, I can send a link into the chat right about now. If you find that easier, just a second. Yep, we're going to put the link in the Zoom just in case anyone else wants to use the link instead, or you can scan the QR code. So it is going to be $10 for all the students. Think Academy is not making any money off this. This is just going to be to pay the competition administration, and you can register online. The first one would be to register on Eventbrite. That's step number 1. Step number 2, this is very important because Noetic is slightly different from other competitions. You will have to fill in the Eventbrite registration form. In this, 2 of the fields are very important for you to be eligible to take the test through Think Academy and to attend all of Think Academy's activities. That would be your grade level and your school. So by putting these 2 pieces of information in, we can check for you with your school if your school already has a Noetic team set up. Now, this is important because Noetic doesn't allow students to take part, say, through an external academic institution if the school already has a Noetic team. So if your school has a Noetic team, you will not be eligible to sign up through Think Academy. However, if it is not, then you can. So that is why you need to enter your student's grade level and school so we can check for you. And of course, if we check and see that your school doesn't have a team, then you'll be eligible for that refund for $10. So you can get a refund for the ticket. And for those who want to stay on, can continue to stay on. That is very important. Again, I'll repeat, just so that there's no confusion. If your school has a team, you cannot sign up through Think Academy. So do make sure when you pay for the registration fee to enter the correct grade level and school, so we can check for you and see if you're eligible to participate with us. And of course, like I said, if you have a team, you're eligible for a refund for those $10, so no problem. And step number 3, we're going to have a bunch of activities in stock for you guys. And that being one of our most famous ones, which is our daily prep. We are going to have that on WhatsApp. You can scan this QR code if you want to be admitted to our lobby, as well as the daily prep workshop. This is going to lead to my WhatsApp, and it's my business account. So it's going to ask you a few entrance questions. And once your account's been verified and regarded as not spam, then you'll be able to access all these materials. This workshop, however, will be for grade 2 through grade 4. And because we have so many parents in higher grades, it will be for you guys as well, but the feedback will only be there for grade 2, 3, and 4. So for the expert feedback, we have specialists come on and they will only be there for grade 2, 3, and 4, but the workshop will go on for higher grades as well with solutions. So these are your important dates. Think Academy Noetic registration deadline for you guys is March 17th. So our Eventbrite will be open. You have to sign up. We will check if your school offers it. Then we will follow up with you with your username and password, all that good stuff. The workshop will begin shortly. Tomorrow it will begin as our daily prep. So you'll be able to receive all those materials online on WhatsApp. the mock and live class. This was very much requested for Noetic because we did this with Math Kangaroo. The mock will be the mock test. And after the mock test, we are going to have a live class with experts who have excelled in all kinds of math competitions. And this will be a live class right after the test. The window is from March 1st to April 1st. So the dates haven't been decided yet, but that's going to be the time frame within which we will operate. And Noetic, the first day of the test, it is a window, so you can attend April 7th onwards all the way to April 21st. So April 7th will be your first day. So stage 1, we will have the daily solving challenge, grade 2 all the way through grade 8 this time. Stage 2 will be the mock test. Again, this is online. Think Academy is only offering this online, so your test will be online for grade 2 through grade 4. And the live test class analysis right after the test will be offered as well. All of this is, of course, for all the parents this time, also for higher grade parents. But grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, highly, highly recommend. Those important deadlines are on top of you guys, not on top of you guys, but over here on the slide. And that's about it. Very, very excited to have you guys on board. And if you have any questions, we can answer that right now. The Noetic